Welcome to today's video. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but are hesitant because you don't want to be on camera or spend countless hours editing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into YouTube automation using AI, the perfect solution for creating high-quality content without ever showing your face. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, from researching the right keywords and generating scripts to turning your script into a polished video using AI-powered tools. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced creator looking to save time, these steps will show you how to automate your YouTube content creation effortlessly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to produce videos that engage your audience while staying behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on growing your channel and scaling your content. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's dive into this step-by-step guide to YouTube automation with AI. Step 1. Keyword research with TubeMagic. When automating your YouTube videos, the first crucial step is conducting thorough keyword research. Why is this important? Keywords make your content discoverable by the right audience, increasing the chances of your videos being found and watched. To ensure you're targeting the best keywords, we'll be using a powerful tool called TubeMagic. TubeMagic helps you identify trending keywords in your niche. To get started, open TubeMagic and head to the Keyword Research tab. Input a few topic ideas related to your channel's focus. For instance, if you create content about tech gadgets, you might search for terms like Best Tech Gadgets of 2024. TubeMagic will generate a comprehensive list of trending, relevant keywords. It includes key metrics such as search volume, competition level, and ranking difficulty. Here's a pro tip. Prioritize keywords with high search volumes and low competition. These keywords are easier to rank for, giving your videos better visibility in search results and helping your channel grow faster. By using this keyword research strategy, you'll position your content to attract more views and engagement from the right audience. Step 2. Crafting a title with your keyword. Once you've completed your keyword research, the next crucial step is to craft a title that not only captures the essence of your content, but also entices viewers to click on your video. A compelling title is one of the most critical elements in drawing attention on YouTube, as it is often the first thing a potential viewer sees. To maximize your video's visibility and appeal, the title should include your primary keyword, be concise, and spark curiosity. Why a click-worthy title matters. Your title serves as the front door to your content. It needs to both inform and intrigue potential viewers. While it's essential that the title contains your primary keyword for SEO purposes, it's equally important that the title is engaging enough to prompt a click. In other words, your title should work like a hook, giving the audience a reason to choose your video over others in the search results. For example, a video titled Top 10 Tech Gadgets of 2024 You Need to Know About gives the viewer both information and an incentive to click. It promises a valuable list and uses the words "you need to know about" to imply that the viewer would be missing out if they don't watch. A balance between relevance and curiosity is key. TubeMagic's role in title creation. Creating such a title might seem daunting, especially if you're not sure what will resonate best with your audience. This is where TubeMagic can make the process significantly easier. TubeMagic is a tool designed to streamline the creation of optimized, clickable video titles. Once you've selected your keyword, you can use TubeMagic's title generator feature to generate several title options that are optimized for search visibility and viewer engagement. The TubeMagic title generator works by analyzing the content of your video after it has been uploaded as public or unlisted. Unlike traditional title generators, which rely on keywords or trends, TubeMagic requires you to input the URL of your video, specifically one that contains spoken voices in any language. Once you click Generate, the tool analyzes the audio, identifies key themes, and automatically creates an optimized title, description, and relevant tags for your video. This approach is especially helpful for creators who may struggle with crafting effective titles or descriptions. Since TubeMagic works only after the video is created and uploaded, you will initially need to come up with a basic title manually. Once the video is live, the tool can refine and optimize the title, making it more engaging and SEO-friendly based on the actual content of your video. Step 3. Using TubeMagic's script feature. With your optimized click-worthy title in place, the next task is to develop a well-structured video script. Writing a script from scratch can be one of the more time-consuming aspects of video production. However, TubeMagic also offers a script generator feature that can dramatically cut down the time needed to create a high-quality script. A solid script forms the backbone of a well-executed video. It ensures that your content is clear, concise, and flows smoothly from one point to the next. While some creators prefer a loose, unscripted format, a scripted video helps keep you on track, ensuring that you deliver your key points effectively without unnecessary rambling. The importance of a good script. A well-written script ensures that your content remains engaging from start to finish. It provides a roadmap for your video, helping you deliver your message in a way that resonates with your audience. Additionally, having a script ensures that you won't miss any critical points, resulting in a more polished and professional final product. Automating script creation with TubeMagic. To generate a script using TubeMagic, follow these simple steps. Open the script. Generator. After finalizing your title, navigate to the script generator feature in TubeMagic. Input your video title. Enter your video title into the tool. This will serve as the foundation for the script TubeMagic will generate. Review the generated script. TubeMagic will provide a detailed, structured script that includes an introduction, a body section for each of the 10 tech gadgets, and a conclusion. The introduction might start with a hook to grab the viewer's attention, followed by a smooth transition into the body of the video, where you present your list of gadgets. Customizing your script. While TubeMagic provides an excellent starting point, it's essential to personalize the script to better align with your voice and audience. Here are some ways you can customize it. Introduction. TubeMagic will likely provide a general introduction, but consider adding a more personal touch. For example, instead of a generic "Welcome to my channel," you could say, "If you love discovering the latest tech gadgets, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the top 10 tech gadgets of 2024 that you need to know about." Body content. TubeMagic will give you a solid framework for the body of the video, but it's up to you to expand on each point. You might add additional details about the features, pricing, and practicality of each gadget. To keep the audience engaged, use dynamic language and varying sentence structures. TubeMagic will likely provide a basic conclusion, such as, "Thanks for watching." However, you can make this more engaging by encouraging further interaction. For example, you could say, "Which tech gadget from our list are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates." Using the script as a guide. It's important to remember that the script is a guide, not a rigid rulebook. TubeMagic's automated script provides a solid foundation, but you should feel free to modify and adapt it to suit your style. Whether you prefer to read directly from the script or use it as a loose outline, having a structured plan will help keep your video focused and engaging. Step 4. Using Pictory for script-to-video conversion. Now that we have our script, it's time to turn that into a video. We're going to use Pictory, an AI-powered tool that allows you to convert text scripts into professional-looking videos. Here's how you do it. Open Pictory and select the script to video option. Copy and paste the script you generated from TubeMagic into Pictory's editor. Hit the Generate Video button, and Pictory will automatically create a video based on your script. But we're not done yet. Let's dive into the customization options Pictory offers to enhance your video. Step 5. Customizing visuals in Pictory. Pictory doesn't just create generic videos. It allows you to customize them to your style and branding. Here's what you can do. Choose a template that matches the tone and theme of your video. Pictory has a library of pre-designed templates, so you can find one that fits your niche. You can also select visuals, images, videos, and animations to appear throughout your video. Pictory will automatically suggest visuals based on your script, but you can always swap them out for something else. Pro tip: if you have specific branding colors or logos, make sure to upload them here to create a cohesive brand identity across all your videos. Step 6. Adding AI voiceovers in Pictory. To add a voiceover, go to the voiceover section in Pictory. Choose from a range of AI-generated voices, preview them, and select the one that best matches your video style. Step 7. Adding background music. In the Background Music tab, pick a royalty-free track that suits your video's mood. Make sure the voiceover remains clear by keeping the music volume low. Step 8. Previewing and fine-tuning your video. Preview your video to check for smooth transitions, balanced audio, and timing. Adjust as needed. Step 9. Exporting and uploading to YouTube. Once satisfied, export your video in 1080p and upload it to YouTube. Optimize the title, description, and tags for SEO. Step 10. Automating YouTube uploads. Use YouTube's scheduling feature to upload in advance and set a specific date for your video to go live. Step 11. If we're creating a video for a YouTube channel about investing, which has one of the highest CPMs, we'll start by using TubeMagic to find multiple keywords. We discovered dividend portfolio, a high-volume, medium competition keyword, and we'll create a video based on it. To craft the title and description, we'll search YouTube for 3 videos with over 100K views, extract the best parts of their titles, and mix them with our keyword. Our final title is How to Create a Monster Dividend Portfolio with $100 Full Free Course. With the title ready, we'll use TubeMagic to generate a 2,000-word how-to script. After removing how-to from the title to avoid duplication, TubeMagic delivers the script in under a minute. Next, we'll use Pictory to convert the script into a video. After pasting the script into Pictory, the video will be ready in minutes. We'll review and adjust visuals, add transitions, elements, and audio, and use 11 Labs premium voices for voiceovers. Once satisfied, we'll download the final video. To upload and optimize, we'll use YouTube Studio, add our title, and generate a description with TubeMagic's Video Descriptions feature. Then, we'll use the Video Tags feature to generate relevant tags and paste them below the description. If needed, we can explore additional title options using TubeMagic's Video Titles feature. But for now, we'll stick with our chosen title. Now that we've shown you how to create faceless videos here, we gave a great faceless video. Let's check it out.
In this video, we'll explore how to build a robust dividend portfolio starting with just $100. Discover the significance of dividend investing for wealth accumulation and the incredible potential of small beginnings. Step 1. Understand the basics of dividend investing. Dividends are payments made by companies to shareholders, reflecting profits. Investing in dividend stocks offers consistent income and stability. Unlike growth stocks, which focus on capital appreciation, dividend stocks provide regular cash flow and lower volatility. Step 2. Research potential dividend stocks. Start by utilizing reliable sources like Yahoo Finance and seeking alpha for stock research. Focus on companies with a proven track record of consistent dividend payments, particularly in sectors known for strong dividends, such as utilities and consumer staples. Step 3. Create a diversified portfolio. Select 5 to 10 dividend stocks across various sectors to minimize risk. This diversification protects your investments against market volatility. Utilize stock screeners to identify suitable candidates that align with your dividend investing strategy. Step 4. Invest your $100. Wisely select a brokerage that permits fractional shares to maximize your $100 investment. Consider enrolling in a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, for compounding growth and monitoring transaction fees to protect your returns. Step 5. Monitor and manage your portfolio. Regularly assess your stock's performance and dividend payouts to ensure they meet your goals. Stay updated on market trends and company news, and be ready to adjust your portfolio based on performance and changing market conditions. Step 6. Reinvest dividends for growth. Utilize a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to automatically reinvest dividends into additional shares, enhancing your investment's growth. Track your investment's progress over time and set goals for when to take profits or continue reinvesting. Conclusion: creating a monster dividend portfolio. To recap, we covered the steps to build a dividend portfolio with $100, highlighting the importance of patience and consistency. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more valuable content.
The video looks fantastic, breaking down how to create a monster dividend portfolio with just $100 in a concise and easy-to-follow way. The visuals are top-notch, and the hyper-realistic voiceover adds an engaging touch. Absolutely loved it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more. Also, if you're interested in learning more how to make money on YouTube, you can check out the link in the description.